Today we're going to be multiplying decimals, okay? So I have 8 3/10 times 10 and 7/10. What?
Stop saying K.
I'm going to say K as many times as I want. So with this, I usually like to have the longest number on the top, okay? In this case, it is also the biggest number. So 10 and 7/10 times 8 and 3/10. With multiplying decimals, you don't have to line up the decimal. In this case, it just lined up naturally. You're lining up the numbers. This one lined up the decimal as well, which is great. It doesn't really matter. Now I multiply. I ignore the decimal. So I'm basically multiplying 107 times 83. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 more is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to cross out this 2 so I don't use it again. I'm adding a 0 now because I'm moving on to this 8. So it's no longer 8, it is 80, okay? 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 0 is 8, plus 5 is 5. 8 times 1 is 8. Now I add those together. 1, 8, 8, 8. Look at that, 3 8s. Okay. Now I have to figure out that decimal goes. When I multiply decimals, I count the number of decimal places. So that's the number of numbers after the decimal. So we have 1 here, we have another here, so that is 2 decimal places. So I start from here at the end, and I'm going to count 2 decimal places to the left. Yes, to the left. 1, 2. My decimal ends up here. So my answer is going to be 88 and 81 hundredths.